This is question number 49 of set 2 from Mechanical Engineering paper of GATE 2019. The question is, an air standard Otto cycle has thermal efficiency of 0.5 and the mean effective pressure of the cycle is 1000 kilopascal. For air, assume specific heat ratio gamma is equal to 1.4 and specific gas constant R is equal to 0.287 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. If the pressure and temperature at the beginning of the compression stroke are 100 kilopascal and 300 Kelvin respectively, then the specific net work output of the cycle is in kilojoule per kg, rounded off to the 2 decimal places. So we need to find the specific net work output of the cycle in kilojoule per kilogram, and that too rounded off to the 2 decimal places. So let's see here the working of an Otto cycle. This figure here represents the PV diagram, that is pressure volume diagram of an ideal Otto cycle. From process 1 to 2, this is isentropic compression. From stage 2 to 3, heat is added in the system, Qn, and this takes place at constant volume. So let's say this is to be V2 and this is V1. From 3 to 4, stroke 3 to 4 is isentropic expansion process, okay, because pressure is decreasing isentropically here. From process 4 to 1, this is heat is getting out of the system, and this also takes place at constant volume, let's say V1. So V1 and V4 are same or equal, and V2 and V3 are equal. From process 2 to 3, it is compression at constant volume. So this volume from 0 to this is called Vc, that is compression volume. Heat is added in the system, and from V1 to V2 or V2 to V1, this is called swept volume, V swept. So the mean effective pressure is given by net work done. So net work done divided by the swept volume, and the efficiency of an Otto cycle is given by eta is equal to 1 minus 1 upon R to the power of gamma minus 1. Now here R is the compression ratio, that is given by V1 by V2. So this is the value of R, that is the compression ratio, and gamma for the question given here, that gamma given is 1.4, and the efficiency is also given in the problem, that is 0.5, and the value of MEP, that is 1000 kilopascal. To calculate R, that is the compression ratio, we need a V1 and V2. See, V1 how we can calculate the value of V1? P1 value we are given, we know the R value, and T1 is also mentioned in the question. Since we know that from the ideal gas equation, we know P1 V1 should be equal to R T1. Now from here V1 is equal to R, the value of R given is 0.287 multiplied by T1 given is 300 Kelvin divided by P1. P1 is given as 100 kPa, kilopascal. So from here we'll get V1 is equal to, now remember here this is volume per unit mass, because the ideal gas equation is PV is equal to mRT, right? So mass I'm taking here, that means this is V is here volume per unit mass. So V1 will be equal to 0.861 meter cube per kg, because it is volume per unit mass. So we got V1 is equal to 0.861 meter cube per kilogram. From efficiency, we know the efficiency of Otto cycle is given by 1 minus 1 upon R, that is the compression ratio, to the power of gamma minus 1. So gamma minus 1. The value of gamma mentioned in the problem is 1.4, and eta is also given, that is 0.5. So from here we can get the value of R. So the compression ratio R will be equal to 5.65. Now we also know that R is equal to V1 upon V2, V1 upon V2. So from here we can calculate V2 because we have already calculated V1. So V2 will be equal to V1 divided by 5.65. So that will come out to be 0.1524 meter cube per kilogram. So for these calculations you can use the calculator. Okay, I'm just directly substituting in the calculator and getting the value. Okay, so next is the main goal of this problem was to find the specific work output. So let's write the specific work output, and this is equal to P, that is mean effective pressure, multiplied by the swept volume, V swept. That's what we know, that is the expression of net work. So specific work output, that is net work per unit mass, network per unit mass. Okay, so let me write network per unit mass. That's what specific stands for. So here V1 and V2 can also be referred as specific volume because it is calculated volume per unit mass. So this will be equal to, so the value of PMEP, that is mean effective pressure, is given, that is 1000 kilopascal multiplied by the swept volume. Swept volume is V1 minus V2, and this will be 1000 multiplied by V1. How much we have calculated here? 0.861 minus this V2 is 0.1524, and this will come out to be 708.6 kilojoule per kg. So we can write the specific work done or the specific net work done. Let me write it as W net is equal to 708.6 kilojoule per kg, which is the required answer. So let's go back to the problem. The specific net work output of the cycle is 708.6 kilojoule per kilogram. To get more information on Otto cycle, you can refer to the NPTEL course on concepts of thermodynamics by Professor Suman Chakrabarty of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. Hopefully I was able to clear your doubt. Have a great day. Thank you.